Hey Savvy friends, it's Stephanie with Savvy Girl Saves. I hope you're having a great day. It's Tiny Tuesday, what's poppin'? And the micros, July micros. This is the first one of July. I am so excited for today. All right, so don't forget to check all the links down below in the description box, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up right now. And first things first, thank you to everyone who voted. Number 2 was the winner. How pretty, right? I mean, I just did the dishes, so my hands are a little dry, but it's like a little paints. It's so funny because I look at them in the package and I'm like, ugh, I don't know if I like these. And then I put them on and I'm like, ooh, it's so pretty. So it's so easy. You just peel the plastic off and then you peel the nail tab. It's nail polish. It smells like nail polish. And you rub it on and you break it off and you're done. That's it. All right, let's get down to business. So I have an undisclosed amount of money here, some fives and some singles. I'm not counting, you're not counting. Before we get started, I added a couple of, there were some that I finished last week. So, and I put in some new ones to start. However, I took those out and I put this in, this one, because I did a collab with Weekly Budgets Co. and I wanted to put them in here. So this is hers and this is mine, part of the collab. I didn't have it when I filmed last week. So anyway, that's why things might look a little bit different. But let's get started. We're going to pop and we're going to do our thing and we're not going to count. I'm so excited. Okay, I love this. There are a couple other women. Jill at What Matters Now. She just started doing it like this, like Ange Budgets and Debt also, except she does it in a regular, A5 size binder, which I don't know. Maybe I'll switch to that because I liked how she had all the dollars flat. However, I do love Ange's, and hers is like exploding with money. Which is also so fun. So, okay, all right, let's get popping, people. This is from Plan to Save Designs. You're the coffee to my donut. One pop, 1, 2, 3. So this is, last week I popped too many times. So we pop once and that's it. Rule is you pop once, you roll once. Well, this is how Ange does it and I like it, so I'm just following her way. You do one time. And then, but if you pop or roll a 1, then, excuse me, you go again. 4. Oh, this is a bad color for this one. Oh, I didn't, yeah, Plan to Save Designs. This one is from Weekly Budgets Co. Let me get a black for this. This is part of the collab that her and I did together. It's an under the sea kind of theme, oceanic. So you can grab that on her Ko-fi and my Ko-fi for both of us. They're super cute. There's 2, we each did 2 tinies and 1 mini. So that is hers. All right, next is Budgeting with Kim, and this got a 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that one's gonna finish next week. I'm so excited about this. It's hard to talk and do this because for whatever reason, I feel like I have to do this feverishly fast. I don't know why, but I do. Like, I wanna just fly. So let's take a breath. Number 4. I wonder if there's, nope. I'm going to take a single out and put in a 5. That's what we gonna do. And I don't count this. I'm not going to count this until the end of the year and see how much it is. I do not, this is mine. It's on my Etsy shop. It also comes with some prop dollars. What the heck? Oh, that's a $5 bill. Oh, and that got a 5 also. It does come with some prop money, so you can do it for like this, or you can do it with a 4-week month, or you could just do it for 4 weeks. But this one finished. So this one is going to go, see, June, I finished a bunch, but I did condense. I did count, but I did not count, but I did condense, because otherwise they are all going to be just enormous. And I need those singles for other things. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's get another one to put in there. I have this adorable one from Budget Your Life with Paula. It's a Christmas in July, and it has 4 weeks. So I figured I put it in the front to do it because it will be happening in July, and there's 4 weeks, 5 weeks in July, but we got 4 pops. All right, this one is mine. This is Savvy Girl Saves and Weekly Budgets Co. It is and my popper is a star, and Weekly Budgets Co. I sent her the other popper of this because it came in a set of 2, and it's a turtle. You got to see her do it. It is so cute. 1, 2, 3. So like, I don't know if that's why she wanted to do an ocean theme or not, but I don't care. Ocean theme. I'll do whatever you want. You want a collab? I'll do whatever you want. And this last one is from Julie's Pages. She is also some, ooh, 5, you hot. She is also someone who does minis and tinies. There's so many of us that do minis and tinies. All right, the 8th one in here is, let's just do this one. No, let's do one with 1. These are little scratchers that I get when I place orders on Etsy. Sometimes the creator will, the shop owner will put some little freebie scratch offs in here. So, no, what better way to use them, right? This one is from Save with Judy. Let's see what we got here. Oh, 5. All right, that's fair. Where's my little vacuum? I also feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, fingers. I also feel like I can't really talk when I do this. Like, what the heck? Anyway, that one's going in there. And we have a little more money left. I'm not going to count how much. So when Ange goes through all of them, she stops and she has a fund that this goes into. But I don't want to do that. I just wanted to, I wanted to just go to these. So, oh, we got a 1. So let's pop again. Oh, did I put money in here and not write it down? Stinking son of a hooter. Crap. I don't want to count it, but I got to make sure I have the right amount because that will bother me. All right, so I just popped a 1 and a 6. So we should have, let me get a calculator because your mama ain't good at this. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 6, plus 5, plus 1, plus 6. So there should be $30 in here. This is the only time. See, this is why I can't talk and do this. At least I know where I shine. This is not it. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, we're just going to move on. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't believe I did that. Son of a monkey's butt. Okay. See, this is why I can't talk. Just don't talk while you do these. Just do. Just do. We got a 3. Well, let's close that up. 1, 2, 3. Got a 3 in here. Put that in here. Oh, and this one is going to finish, and there's 2 left, so I'm just going to stick that in here. I'm going to put a 2 on here, and we're going to call that done. What? Look at July is already rushed, and it's only the 1st. All right, let's get another challenge to put in here. Let's go. Oh, let's do this patriotic one, flags, because it's, I know Budget with Kim is already in here, but hey, you know, it is what it is, right? Let's see. Or did I just finish her Budget with Kim? I did. All right, so let's put this one in there. Since it's July, we'll put the flags. Okay, this one is done. I will go in and condense, but not count. Okay, let's move on to the tinies. I'm going to get my red marker because it is patriotic. Red, white, and blue. All right, this is the new set of my micros. It's in my Etsy shop, and it's also on my Ko-fi. It is $1.25 for the whole set. You get all 6, listen to me selling it. You get all 6 challenges, and you also get PDFs with the prop money. So you get 1s, you get 5s, where is the 5s? You get 5s, 10s, there's also, this is extra, I'm not using, 20s and 50s. So let's get started. Hold that thought. Hold that thought. All right, so let's count and see what we got to play with today. So I made these, like I said, they're on my Etsy and they're on my Ko-fi. I got 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 40. Oh, no. Nope. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first time I'm playing with these, so they're very, they're newly printed. They're not, you know, messy yet. So anyway, let's work these hot 10s and spicy 5s into here, and I will pop, and the dice will tell me which one gets a bill. I use this money to make an extra credit card payment at the end of the month. So that's where this goes. Yeah, but you don't have to do it for debt. You can do it for whatever you want. I like to do it for debt. All right, so ready to rock? Okay, ready? Let's go. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is an extra one. We'll put it in here. All right. Excuse me. Perfect. Here we go. All right, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 1, 3. Come on. I'm not above putting money in other envelopes either. That was a bad pop. In other funds either. Like if this one doesn't get any, I'll put the last 2 bills on there because everybody needs to get love. Everybody needs to get love. Number 1, number 5, number 1, number 6, and these really do add up quick. This is the second month that I'm doing it, and these add up pretty quick. All right, let's get all this out of the way. So we have 6, 5. You know what? Let's do it like this, like I do with my minis, because then I don't have any confusion. All the bills go where they need to go. I do not number these like 1 through 6. I just put them back in here haphazard. It doesn't matter to me what the numbers are. All right, so the first one, 4th of July, got $5, $6, $7. You could also play these as minis or tinies. You don't have to do this micro version, but I do it once a week, and then after the 5 weeks, we'll see how much we got, and we will make a car payment. We bought a brand new car. Oh, this only got one, but that's okay. That's okay. We bought a brand new car a few months ago, and I don't know if you know me, if you've been around a while, I don't like debt. I don't do debt. We have 0 consumer debt except for our mortgage and a car. So, we have credit card and we do use it, but it gets paid right away. But mostly everything in our lives is paid cash. Oh man, look, I wrote on myself. Oh, and I wrote on my thing. Dang it. Okay. Get it together. 5, 10, 11, 12. Oh no, we got a 10. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. Very good, Mr. Top Hat. But I want to pay down the car. So that's what we're doing. I don't like debt. I was raised by people who paid cash for everything, and if you don't have cash, then you don't buy it. And that was embedded into my brother and I. This got $3, very young, and he is the same way, and I've raised my son the same way, who's 19. And I mean, he has credit card, I have credit, like we have credit cards, but you don't use it unless you can pay it, for real, because I've been in the debt situation before because I needed it to survive. That's another story for another day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it took me two or 3 years to pay off, and I don't ever want to be in that position again. So anyhow, we're paying off the car. Well, we're gonna try. I mean, a couple $100 a month extra is always, a plus towards the payment. So 10, 15, 16, 17. And you don't have to play with this much money, nor do you have to play this way. You could play with quarters. You could play with dimes. I mean, just play with just dollars. You can play with anything. I just made the PDFs so it looks like I'm bleeding. I'm really not. I just made the PDF so there's a wide variety of denominations, but if you don't need the other ones, just print a whole bunch of singles. Like, seriously, the sky's the limit, and it's your budget and your money, and you do with it what you want. So there we go. All right. That's done for that, and that's done for that, and I think that's it for today, folks. I think that's it for today. All right. So thank you so much for spending some of your time with me. I really appreciate it more than words can say. That's all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends. Stay savvy.